So now this trailer is up, and this actually has really old lighting. These are still the original ones. The trailer is from 1979, so it means it's 43 years old. And these lights, they often have bad contact, and that means they just don't work. And the thing is, you don't check your lights every time you drive, and it's just a thing of knocking on it or opening it up and holding the light a bit and it works again. But we like to make LEDs in here, so we don't have that issue anymore. But that's really an expensive bill if you are stopped by the police. Unfortunately, the wool wiring seems to be not that properly, so we're gonna redo the wool wiring of the trailer, as that makes sense at this moment. So then we know that everything is gonna function correctly and it will last for a while. We also need to make a spot for the license plate and this plate, as now it's hanging here. The thing is, this whole thing can fall down if you need more space, and then this and this won't be visible either. So if you make a spot here, then we know it's always visible. And yeah, these are also rotten, so it makes sense to do it properly this time. Besides that, the trailer could also use some paint. I painted it the last time 10 years ago, so that's where the paint is still from, and it's starting to get a bit old paint. What's surprising is that this trailer absolutely does not bend anywhere, so it's still perfectly straight and it only has a few scratches. The other trailer just has a lot more scratches. It's a decent trailer. I think this is gonna be it. So the lights can sit nice on the outside here. You can put the license plate, the triangle and the plug to plug in another trailer under here and the plate in the middle. You have to make a hole so the hitch can come through. I want to keep the hitch exactly as it is. So let's get the plasma cutter out and cut a plate. That's looking good. Now we need to finish the weld work and drill some holes and then paint the whole thing, and then it should be good. So it really makes the trailer stand out a lot better, and it also gives us the ability to hang everything on there which we need to hang on there, and it will actually be full there, so yeah, we still have no place left. I'm really happy with the painting result, as I just painted it. I also drilled the holes already. I did that off camera, because it's basically the same as on the other trailer. It seems to come together really nicely now. Wow, the red color is looking absolutely beautiful. I don't know how it looks like on the video, but in reality it really looks like a transformation. And it's not that much work because it had way too much sun, so doing it now is really easy. Well, if I wait another 5 years, I get a lot of rust, and then it first takes a lot of sanding and the rust will come through. Well, if you paint these trailers every 10 years, then they are perfectly good. Look, I fixed that light. That's just because I need that light for that trailer. So now I got both trailers, a right side and a left side light. So that's perfect. Completely finished. So let's put it away until harvest. Well, this looks a lot better now, and it will also be a lot more functional now. If you enjoyed watching the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you get a notification when the next video comes online. Thank you for watching.